So this is the Aprilia RS457 GP Replica. And honestly, Aprilia kind of cheated with this one. Because from the factory, this thing already feels like it wants to live at the track. You get the GP-inspired livery straight out of the box. The Quickshifter is already installed. The seat cowl is included. It has semi-aggressive ergonomics and even brake pads that are surprisingly track-capable for a stock bike. Most beginner bikes need a whole shopping cart worth of upgrades before they're ready for a track day. This one, you can basically tape the lights, check tire pressures, and go chase apexes. For this first setup, I stripped off the street stuff, cleaned it up, and got it ready for track duty. And after my first full track day on it, I came away seriously impressed. The tires were honestly one of my biggest question marks at first, especially knowing they're made in India. But they turned out to be way better than expected, and stayed surprisingly consistent throughout the day. The brakes never overheated, even after 7 30-minute sessions, which honestly shocked me for a mostly stock lightweight bike. And the low-end torque? That's where this thing really shines. You don't have to keep it screaming at redline all the time. Even lower in the RPM range, it pulls out of corners smoothly and makes the bike super forgiving and confidence-inspiring. Fuel economy was another surprise. This thing was getting around 50 miles per gallon all day at the track, which means one full tank is basically enough to survive the entire day. I also had the suspension professionally set up before heading out. And what surprised me most was how little it actually needed. The rear was left completely alone, and only minor adjustments were made up front. That tells me Aprilia got the base setup pretty close to right from the factory. But this is only the beginning. Next up, we're turning the heat up even more with the Gabbro tune, the SC Project S1 exhaust, and a Sprint air filter to really wake this little twin up. And honestly, with this livery, it already looks like it escaped a MotoGP paddock. So let's take a closer look at the RS457 GP Replica and start building the ultimate lightweight track weapon. Stay tuned for more progress, and as always, don't resist the twist, and remember, lean is the way. Bye!